Hi students, how are you? Today we are going to see about 10th Maths. So this is the first video for you. Today we are going to see the first lesson, relation and function. Okay, unit 1, relations and functions. Relations and functions. This part, the function, the word function is derived by Leibniz. It is a mathematician. She only described this word function. Okay, wow. First the subheading ordered pairs. Ordered pairs. What is the meaning for ordered pairs? அதாவது ஒரு ரெண்டு number form in a group like this. See, 3 and 5 are two numbers. Ordered pairs. Like this you have to write. So, ordered pair of 3 and 5. This is the form. Okay. Next, Cartesian product. Cartesian product. So, this is the definition first part. If A and B are any two non-empty sets, then set of all ordered pairs AB such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B is called the Cartesian product. Cartesian product. That is set of all A comma B such that A belongs to A comma B belongs to B. It is denoted by A cross B, and it is also known as cross product. It is also known as cross product. Okay, this is the definition for Cartesian product. Okay, what is given? A and B are any two non-empty set. Set na first set na well defined object. Set means well defined object. You have studied in the last year. Set means well defined object. So non-empty na adula elements irukum. Appdi rendu set edukkom seriya. அதோட ordered pairs, அதாவது இந்த ஃபார்ம்ல A, B, அதாவது ரெண்டு நம்பரை சேர்த்து எழுதுன்னு சொல்லு. இது எப்படி இருக்குமா கார்ட்டீசியன் ஃபார்ம்ல? அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்ம் வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செட்ல இருந்து இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி செகண்ட் நம்பர் வந்து செகண்ட் செட்ல இருக்கும். ஸோ இந்த ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கிறது தான் என்னது கார்ட்டீசியன் ப்ராடக்ட். இது நோட்டேஷன் ஃபார்ம்ல எப்படி எழுதணும்னா செட் ஆஃப் ஆல். திஸ் சிம்பிள் இஸ் நோன் as set of all ordered pair. Okay, ordered pair A comma B such that A belongs to first set and B belongs to second set. It is denoted by A cross B. எப்படி pronounce பண்ணணும்? A cross B. So இத வந்து Cartesian product இன்னொரு product என்ன சொல்லலாம்? Cross product அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். Okay, இத பேஸ் பண்ணி problems பார்க்க போறோம். Exercise 1.1, find A cross B, A cross A, B cross A. Okay, this is the question. A equal to set of all 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. B equal to 1 comma minus 4. 1 comma minus 4. This is the question. Listen. Solution. So we have to find first A cross B. Okay. Next A cross E. Next B cross E. First we are going to find A cross B. So A cross B, which is equal to what is A? 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. So 2 comma minus 2 comma 3 into what is B? 1 comma minus 4. Okay. Now we have to write in ordered pairs. So first with first. So like this bracket 2 comma 1. Next comma 2 comma minus 4. Okay. Next with this 2 comma minus 2 comma 1. Next with this 2 minus 2 comma minus 4. Then with this third element 3 comma 1 comma 3 comma minus 4. Now close the bracket. This is the Cartesian product of A cross B. Next we are going to find out A cross E. A cross A, which is equal to what is A? 2 comma minus 2 comma 3 cross again A. So 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. Okay. First with this 2. So 2 comma 2. Next 2 comma minus 2. Next one with 2 comma 3. Next with the second element. So minus 2 comma 2. Next comma minus 2 comma minus 2. Next minus 2 comma 3. Next with the third element, comma minus 3 comma 2, comma 3 comma minus 2, comma 3 comma 3. Close the bracket. So this is the Cartesian product of A cross E. Next we are going to find out B cross E. Okay, B cross E. Here what is B? 1 comma minus 4 into cross 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. Again with the first element. So 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma minus 2 comma 1 comma 3 comma with the second element minus 4 comma 2 minus 4 comma minus 2 and the last element minus 4 comma 3. So this is the Cartesian product. Okay, this is the model A cross B, A cross A, B cross A. You have to pronounce like this, not like this. A into B சொல்லக்கூடாது. A cross B, A cross A, B cross A. Understand? இதை பேஸ் பண்ணி ரெண்டு ப்ராப்ளம் ஹோம்வொர்க் கொடுக்குறேன். Homework. Find A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. First one, A equal equal to B equal to P comma Q. B A equal to 2 comma 3. D equal to minus 1 comma 2 comma 5. So these two problems you completed. Okay. இது என்ன பண்றீங்க first day classனால என்ன பண்றோம்னா ஷார்ட்டாவே முடிச்சுக்குவோம். the Cartesian product அந்த டெஃபினிஷனை நல்லா தரவு பண்ணிட்டு அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி இந்த ரெண்டு ப்ராப்ளத்தையும் ரைட் பண்ணி நீட்டாக நோட்டில் ரைட் பண்ணி வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பருக்கு சென்ட் பண்ணிடுங்க. ஓகேவா? தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.